Yeah. So just a small introduction. It will start from the alphabetically, like Anand. Anand will start from the Anand. Hello.
Fine, Daniel.
Yes, yes. Hi, Anand. So, uh, like, just a small introductions from your side.
Yeah, I am IT profession. So currently I'm mostly working in database side.
Okay.
So going forward, I'm moving to Java applications. That's why I'm looking to join this course here.
Yeah. One more thing. This is the my Indranil is not my name. This is a proxy name. So as per our institute. And okay, good.
Is it
Good to
okay?
hear.
What's your name? Sorry.
Jagdev.
Yes, there.
It's okay.
Nice
So
to meet you.
yeah, so this is the things. Okay, great to hear you that you have already like database knowledge, and after that, the Anbu, what you are is in from the Java or something else. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Anbu. I'm working as an automation engineer.
Great,
So,
great, great,
that's my Java skills. I just joined the course.
great,
Um,
great, great. Okay. What about Devika?
Hi, my name is Devika, and I'm working as a Java professional, but I took a break of like 2 years, so I want to resume my career. That's the
Oh,
reason I
okay,
joined
okay,
this.
okay. That's fine. That's fine. What about the Reshmi? Reshmi Ranjan? Okay, anyway, some of most of the folks are
Okay,
pretty much
sorry.
have. Yeah.
Uh, Hi, Jagdeep. This is Ranjan. So actually, my name is Ranjan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I basically worked in the DB and CC++. So
Great,
basically, I am working as a backend application side, core side. I'm working. So I
mm-hmm.
just want to learn the Java things.
Great, great, great. Okay, we'll start then. We have pretty much good people in our house. So grand welcome from our institute, Isha Foundation, Isha, and my name is Jagdev, and I have a close to 15 years of Java development experience. I'm a full stack developer. I worked as a many MNCs in India's and as well as the outside of that. And after that, so many domain knowledge I have. So we'll start the. Did you gone through the course structures? Is it my screen is visible or I guess I'm not shared?
no,
Okay, thanks.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, yes. Is it visible right now?
yes,
Mm,
Okay, so as per this is the course which I already running for a few months ago. So basically we'll cover over here the full stack course, full stack Java. So full stack means it has the UI layer, it has the Spring backend layer as well as the database layer. Means total functional website. So uh, I hope you all people are gone through the course content, right? Hello?
yes,
Anyone can
Yes,
reply
yes, yes.
means every time that you people are aware or not, that is the difficult. Anyone can yes or no, that's a simple ask from my side. So uh like in the Spring core concept there are so many Spring modules. So what is Spring? Spring is basically an architecture like and framework, like someone is from automation, right? Whatever I heard that name, I mean I forgot that name, ladies. That you have the your Selenium, right? Someone is
yes,
from automation, right?
yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So there is the same, like you are in the Java automation or which automations?
Java and WebScript both.
Okay, that's So you heard of the Spring, right? How the Spring and all.
Yes, but not much.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's an just to be responsive. That's a thing. Like it's a similar things, kind of an framework which is similar to your similar to your Selenium and all. So we'll cover the Spring module. We'll cover the different layer of the Spring module, like how it is working and all. So Spring Controller, Spring MVC, Spring Boot, microservices, and after that we'll cover the some of the database features we along with the Hibernate, along with the JPA. So after that, we'll do the card applications. So for the demo purpose, we'll do the card application today itself, and we'll do the Spring Security and Spring Security, Spring Boot, and microservices, database, architectures, so many things. So uh, every section will spend to somewhere we'll spend 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hours. It's accordingly to the necessities. So any doubt, any question on that during the course content?
No, not as of now.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So we'll share the today's agenda. What we are going to do today. So basically, we'll create a small demo applications. You called is an website or something. So here we'll try to add something, add some employees. Okay, this is the flow and everything. I'll make you understand after some time. Like this is the real time project. In every project our main agenda to do the two I mean ultimately we are doing the card application. Card means create, update, delete, and get. That is the read operations. Okay, any
Oh,
confusion? Hello, any
no.
confusion? No yet. Okay, thanks. So this is the things. We'll create small page and we'll host. I mean, it should be run in the local host. You can do it in the cloud also, but as a small demo. So we'll do this. This page will develop. So how it will work? It will work as a layered architecture. We use the Spring Boot and layer that controller controller MVC model. Okay, model view controller. So as an view, we use the theme as a template engine. It's nothing hard. Don't get afraid or something. This is an HTML with better look and feel. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this should be an, so we'll try to first get this page, how it should be looked. Okay. And it is fast whenever you hit one URL like your Facebook or something, it will go to the corresponding controller. That word MVC. Suppose I have a draw model. Something. The same things, whatever showing in the PPT, the same things I will explain. Like this is your, suppose this is your browser. It will go to your controller. Then it will render. I mean this part. Controller to your service layer, to your repository, then it will reach to your database. Again the reverse flow, then rendering and make the view available and show it to the browser. Got it?
Yes.
So let's not wait. let not waste any more time. We'll start the developing. Correct? So in Spring Boot, one website called Spring Initializer. Anyone heard of this previously? Hello?
No.
At least someone from your group, just yes, no, just on small things. I am not expecting anything from your side. I am expecting like you are starting your career as a freshers. Believe me, this is possible actually. You people are in transition mode. All people are working, or they might career break or something. They want to brush up or something. So we'll deal this kind of situations. So just I like I mean, it will be easy for me to understand what is the things. So Spring Initializer is an site, is an repository site which is run by your Spring IO. It will give you the one skeleton of the your project. Got it? Suppose I'm creating a folder, Isha demo, correct? So this is the group ID. So this is the jar type, and the base version is Java 21. So right now I should have add some dependency. This is the beauty of a Spring Boot. If you enroll the course in a depth, you will understand everything. But today I will show you how Java will work. Got it?
Yeah.
So Spring Web is the initial dependency. Then JPA, Spring Data JPA. It will deal with your database things. Like it will give you the facilitate method, which is already available in the JPA repositories. What is JPA? What is Hibernate? In depth, we'll discuss in the course. But as of now, you can understand this is the sum of the bundle of dependency which we'll add in our pom.xml, and it give you the it give you the project runnable. That who is working in that ma'am, who is working in that, you know that automations in some of the Maven dependencies, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So like can you please brief me out like what is the Maven dependencies, whatever you are worked? Hello,
Come again. I don't get your question.
you worked as a automation, right? So I'm
Yes,
asking you, so what are the Maven dependency did you work?
this is for everything as a for WebDriver manager and Apache POI.
Correct. So in your Apache PY or any WebDriver, JUnit, Mockito,
Mm-hmm.
those are the pre-template dependencies, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So it's the same way. Apart from that, who is not working in a Java, I just give you a novice example. It is a bag of facilitated tool. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Like who is not, she can be understand, like she can be connect, correlate these things, but who is not from the Java, anyone can understand this thing. This is the bag of toolbox. From there itself, so many tools are available. You have to do your own work over there. So Spring Web is the initial dependency I am giving you in my I'm taking this dependency, and it will work as a it will work as a uh, restful web services. It will give you the restful web services. And JPA, it will work as a database related operations. Teamleaf is an rendering view part. Like this is the dependency for Teamleaf. This part is handled by the JPA. Got it? Another thing we required, that is we are using the MySQL. So we need the driver, because we all write our code in the uh, Java format. But our database will not understand the uh, what is that database related database object. So Java object should be saved in database, in a database object pattern, that is called ODBC. The conversion should come JDBC to ODBC. That driver, it will do your job. Is that up to clear?
Yes.
Hello?
It's clear.
Got it. Thanks. So I'm generating the project. So to create everything, so this is the project just now we created from the Spring Initializer. Why it is not hiding? I don't know why it is not hiding. So this is the folder structure. So here it is saying JDK is not defined. So our job is to set up the JDK over here. Okay. Maven script was found. So it is loading the Maven things. Maven things is loaded. After that, that green button is visible. Green button is visible means your main class is loaded in the JVM. And this is the Maven folder, Maven outcomes. And this is the, I mean, this is the POM file, whatever we just discussed. This is the JPA repositories. This is the themelab repositories. This is the web repositories. And this is the connector repositories. So just on safer side, we'll run our application first. It won't have any classes, anything. Just we running. Correct? It is saying that fail to start. Why it is saying that fail to start? Because it is asking for the database things. We already saying that we have the database things, but we don't have the database things over here. So our job is to make that database related properties we have to give it. Correct? We already give the I mean MySQL connector J. So you didn't give any credential. So Spring required the data source. That those who work in a database, they can understand, right? So can you please tell like what is the data source? Hello? 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 Those who work in a database related, someone is working from the DBA side, right?
Can I tell, sir?
Yeah, please,
Hello.
please. Yeah, please, please.
Basically, data source is the origin of data, which can be a database, spreadsheet, or even a live feed, like
Correct,
from which we get or something save the data. There are
correct. Data source
source of
is
a
the
data.
correct. Data source is the address. Basically, in a layman language, it's an address where I should find our database. So data source is basically that only. So in Spring, three properties we have to set it. Spring data source URL, Spring data source username, and Spring data source password. So now I am going to my this is the MySQL. I can show you the home page, but that's an this is the just I am connecting my databases, and this is the table. So I am saying this is the name of my database. So I am saying, okay, you can use this database. So this is the name of database. Right now, you have to create the, you have to create the table. Okay. So, but before that only, we have to give the data source. Look, MySQL always run on the port number, I mean 3306. This is the default port of a MySQL. So that is why I give in the port number. JDBC is the JDBC, whatever I told. Then the database name. Then it will run on a local host. This is the port number. And this is the name of my database. This is the name of my database. And this is the my username as well as the password. So I'm saving this one. And previously it is saying that application failed to start. Tomcat is initializing, but application is failed to start. Correct? Tomcat is failed to start on the 8080 port. I'm rerunning the application. Let's see what happened. It is saying that Tomcat is started on 8080 port, but previously it was not started. Correct?
Yes.
So previously it was not started, but now it is started. Why? Because of these properties, that driver properties, it is searching these driver properties. It is searching where should I connect. This is the path. Here I have to search it. JDBC is my Java to database connection. My database name is MySQL. It is run on the local host. Local host means the same machines. And the port number is the default port for MySQL 3306. And this is the name of my database. And who's having this username and password. So let's start the development process. Whatever the development process we committed, right? So for this one, we'll follow the MVC architecture. Okay. So we'll create some packages over here. We'll create some packages over here. So as per MVC, what are the layer? We need to have the controller layer. We need to have the service layer. We need to have the repository layer. Repository is nothing but the DAO layer. Okay. And another is that we need the entity layer. Entity means the real world object. In our case, it's an employee. Any doubt on this? Hello?
Yes, sir. The doubt is what is a is it a data access object?
Correct.
Now,
Correct.
okay.
This is the data access object. This is
Okay.
the repository layer.
Okay,
Okay,
repository. Okay, got it.
got it?
Yes.
Okay. So our first job is to create the employee class. So we'll create the employee class. Whenever you create the employee class, your first responsibility to mark as an entity, because this is your class, your JPA, whatever the JPA, Hibernate, IBTs, whatever you used, Eclipse link, they don't know this is your entity class. It will not persist in your database until unless you make them notified with the @ of entity. Got it?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next responsibility is that, okay, let create the meanwhile, let create the table. There is no table in that your database. I mean, our database, there is nothing called employee classes. Correct? So we'll create the employee table first. Database, I mean, development always start from the reverse. I mean, reverse way. Okay. So let's not waste the time on the typing and all. So I have the my SQL script. I'm just executing things.
It is already
Exist.
available. Yeah.
Yes, yes. It's already exist. So I'm dropping the employee for better understand. Okay, let's.
Table name, I guess. Yeah.
Huh. Or what is the data? I don't know. What is data it is showing? Let, if everything is done, no need to focus on this database part over here. Like, what is the data? So this is the things is already available. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Hmm. So whatever I just want to convey, like we focus lost the focus from the topic. The table name is employee and the class name is employee. Does it same? I mean, both are same, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. Both the same.
All people, what all people think?
Yes, sir. But the naming convention,
Is it
like class
case
name,
sensitive?
case sensitive.
Nothing. It's in database engine and the Java engine, it's completely different. Database don't know this employee and this employee are same. It's completely different. It's in database, this employee, and the Java side, it is India, Pakistan, ABCD, whatever else. Until unless, until unless you gave the table annotations, you have to define, no, my table is that name is different. Got it? So,
Yes, sir.
so right now database can understand, okay, the table which is in the database stand for this one, and the Java side, this is the name of a, name of a class, both are same. You understand this two annotation, what is that stands for?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's clear, right? It's an actually, I'm just doing very slow because people are not in from Java side. So that is what. So right now in the table, what is that? First name, last name, email ID, and action. Action is in the, action from the UI side. Mostly I have to build these things: first name, last name, and email. This is called the camel case annotations, camel case notations. It always start with the small, and middle combination is always a capital. Is called a camel case. So why should we mention all a string? Like who is from the database, he can understand, right? He can correlate, right?
Correct.
Hello? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Why it is? Sorry, I pardon. I forgot your name. Sorry,
So my name is Ranjan.
Ranjan. Why it is string?
So the name and the email ID is having characters. So in database side, we used to give varchar or invarchar to accept the uh, character string. So that's why to match that we are also giving a string. So it's a
Correct. It's
yeah.
little bit modification required. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
in Java, we have the, obviously we have the character, but here it is an text. We are saying string means this is the text.
Correct. Yeah.
Got it? So we
Yes.
have different concept for character, but here it is in database, you are giving as a text. Now the question is, what is ID? ID is not there in your table or database field. Not in the UI, but I set it ID. If you show my schema, ID is not null, auto incremented field. Correct?
Mm.
ID is integer type. That is why I given as an integer. No question, right?
Correct.
Correct. So I make it as a not null because this is a primary key, and I make it as a auto increment. I mean, whenever you insert these three, it will automatically incremented value. Got it?
Correct.
So, so Java, how that will understand that database field will automatically incremented? I am not inserting anything. but it will automatically 1 2 3 4, it will algorithmically incremented. The generated value syntax annotation, this is called the annotations. Annotation is an special set of program. Suppose in Java, so many classes, predefined classes are there, you don't need to remember. It's like an mathematical formula. Whenever we are in our classes, mathematical formula we are doing, so all formula we should mug up, no, right? Base formula we should hands dirty, and the derived formula we already we have to derive and know, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So these are main tricks. These are, I mean, no, I mean, any YouTube or something, it will not show you this. Those who work actually, they will can show. Whenever you hover these classes, hover these things, look, what is ID saying? ID is an annotations. This is an Java JVM classes. This is the JVM things you are using. You are saying this is an ID. If you have any doubt on your Java career, you just do it with the Control Shift and space. It will give you the hint. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So in your database, it is auto incremented. Auto incremented means that strategy. It is generation type. Now the question is that what is the name of the column name in database? It's an ID, right? So I have to say another annotation, column name, and here it is name of that your database. It is an Java ID. So right now it is mapped. Got it?
I have a question. Like the
Correct.
column annotation is for mentioning the primary key. Is it for that at column annotation?
No, no. Your question will be clear right now.
Okay.
I got your confusion.
Yeah.
Suppose if it is primary key, then why should we write the column over here? It is not the primary key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct, na? So,
Yes.
so why we should write the column over here? Not only here, we have to write everywhere. The reason behind that, already I told in a first step. This is the field. This is the field in Java,
Mm-hmm.
name as a
Mm-hmm.
first name.
Okay.
And in your database, it is first underscore name. These two bodies are completely different. They have to map each other. You got my point?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yeah.
They have to map each other. This is the JDBC. This is still, it is in the Java. Here it is still Java, Java object. Whenever you compiled in a single class, it will compiled as a dot class file. Dot class file means it's a series of zeros and one. It is still not reached to the database layer. Here it is only lies. Okay. It is
Okay.
still not reached to the database layer.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever this Java object go to the database should understand, okay, this is the same things, whatever I expect. Got my point, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah.
So this is the, I mean, this is the name of the database field, and this is the name of your Java field. I deliberately name as a different. Otherwise, this concept will not clear to you. In programming, I mean, in corporate, always is a good programmer practice to have a different name. Otherwise, whenever you debug the code, it's lots of line of code. You can't understand the from where it is coming the problem. Got my point? Is it clear? Hello?
Yeah, it is
Yes.
clear.
Okay. So after that, the email. Right now, our job is to give the no argument constructor. I understand these are the things you cannot able to understand until unless the basic of the Java. As per the demo, I just give you the top of the cherry, I guess. Like the no argument constructor job is to create the database object for you. Okay. Whenever the course is goes on, you will understand why we create the no argument constructor and all. So after that, we give the getter setter method. Getter setter is the same things like to set the object from the outside, and this is called the argumented constructor. Whenever we are creating an object, pardon me, like initially one lady, what is that name, her Devika, right? You said that career
Yes,
gap,
sir.
right? you
Yes.
you understand, right? You can correlate, is it like what is
Uh,
argumented constructor, no argumented constructor and all?
yeah, I can remember all these getter setter things. Yeah.
Oh, how much experience you have carry with you?
I have like 5 years.
Got it, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can understand, right? You can remember, right? A little bit of
Yes.
brush up, you can understand, right? What is that purpose of that argumented constructor, no argumented constructor, right? Whenever
Uh,
we are creating our object from outside of that class, these are the parameters are required, right?
mm-hmm. Yes.
Suppose those who not from Java, just listen. Those who not from Java, suppose you have to, I will ask you to create an box. So that box should not be empty. You will fill that box with some of the, I mean, some of the ingredients, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. To create an box, you need some paper or gum, tape, whatever, or wood, snail, right? So you can relate these are the that things, that parameters. Okay.
Yes, got it.
And this is the toString method. Whenever you called your object, it is in the hash code. Whenever you run in these classes, it is in the hash code. But that hash code is not an human readable language. Suppose I want to print. Suppose if I give the main method over here, I want to print this object. So it will give you the hash code. This is not an human readable language. So to make this human readable, this is the toString method, which is a template based method. It will give you the name of your whatever the value you set it will give you the result. Up to this one, it is clear or not? Hello?
Yeah, it is clear. So you
Okay.
mean to say that, so if in case I just want to access the object, then it will give me the address. To get the content of that particular address, what is saved. So I'll have to use this method. Is that
To
correct?
string to string method you have to override.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it. So my next job is to create the DAO. What is our end goal? Our end goal is to, I have to fire one URL and it will give you this result. Got it?
Okay. Clear.
So our end goal is to create that result. Right now, I will create employee repositories. Sorry, this is an interface. Okay. Hope you remember you have used the JPA. So if I ask you what is JPA, JPA is an abstraction layer over the Hibernate. Do you have any idea what is Hibernate? Any rough idea? Anything? Anyone?
No, I don't have.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
Please,
Can
please
I
go
tell?
ahead. Yeah, please, please, please. Anyone? I'm
Okay. Okay, so Hibernate is ORM framework for Java, and
correct.
it is primary purpose is to simplify the interaction between Java application and database by
c-
mapping Java object to database tables.
Correct, correct. So you worked as a Java developer or how it is?
Yes, sir. Currently, I'm on a career break. I have a experience of almost 3 years as a Java developer.
Okay, okay. You do have the same, I mean, okay, no issue.
Yes.
Yes, Hibernate is the same things, but Hibernate is an implementation. Okay. JPA is an interface. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay. Okay.
Those who not from Java, let not confuse them. Hibernate is an saying that whatever the rules you are saying, it is descriptive manner. But JPA is the, I mean, this is the formula. It's an layman. You understand those who not from Java? Hello? Hello?
Can you please just explain it again for me? So
Yeah.
I, yeah.
I am using these repository classes. Repository classes, it will come from this pom.xml.
Mm-hmm.
Which property? The property is JPA property. JPA is responsible to save the object, database object to your database. Up to this one clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's stop it over here. Otherwise, I mean, 6 months it will not go. So, so this is the JPA repository. It will come from the JPA classes. It will ask you for two parameter. I have the employee and another is the integer. And I'm going to create one method to list down the all employee showing as a employees. So right now I have to create the interface for the service layer, because this is a totally MVC based. So we already create this part. Right now we are in the service layer, then we'll go for the controller layer, then the view layer and showing. Just a single method. Find all. So those who from Java, can you please tell me any of them, why should I write the employee in the angular bracket? Hello?
Uh, Basically, the type of the data, like it will return the uh,
Correct.
table.
100%. 100% correct. I am expecting all employee as a list,
Right.
as a list,
Okay.
list object. But which type of list? Employee type of list.
Employee type. Yes.
So this is the interface. We have to give the implementation as per Java rules. Okay. Why it is giving the error? We have to, we have to, I mean, implement this method. Okay. So before that one, I have to make the, I have already write the repository, right? And this is called the AutoWAD. If you go to your course content, you will understand what is AutoWare. AutoWare is the Spring injections. Spring IOC container will inject as a bean. So now the question is, what is bean? Why AutoWare? It's a deep conversations. So this is the, obviously we require the constructor for everything. Then this is the employee repository, and employee repository we have the find all method. You can go with the employee repository and it will whatever you write, that find all method. So, and another thing we missed in that, it should be service annotations. So service layer is completed. It will give you the return of all employee. Entity layer is completed. Repository layer is completed. Only the rest is controller layer. I mean, as per the slide, service completed, repository completed, only the controller layer. In Java, always the naming convention is started from the entity. Employee, look the name of the classes. Employee, employee repository, employee controller, employee service, employee IMPL. Got it? So this is the class controller. So I make it as a controller. I'm saying you have to map. This is the request mapping. Any doubt till now? Hello?
No, sir, clear.
We are injecting the service because this is the database, right? The object ultimate, and that from the helper class is data access object layer. Then the service layer, we already use some logic, and that logic should be called from the controller layer. Then your MVC flow will totally completed. So I am writing a method. As of now, for the things, I'm just returning null to write these classes. From the employee service, I am calling the method. This is the available method. Always press the Alt 1 to have a local variable. This is the list type. All employees. And I have to return this, right? This is the part of view right now. This is the part of view. So in resource, in a template sections, we have to create this path. Sorry, we can make it as a list employee, right? So suppose if you run your classes right now, you can't see anything because this HTML page is not displaying anything right now till now. You got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So if it will run, suppose if you want to run, it will show this kind of output. What is your path right now? This is the employee, correct?
Yes.
And after that, this is the list. But that list you are giving in a HTML form, and that is in a template. So it will give you the white label because you didn't mention the fallback over here. Suppose if you are giving in a directly in resource factor and okay, you run this one again. Because you didn't handle the fallback. You have to debug in a line by line that employee template is not generated, but from as per your code is completed. So our next job is to develop this uh, develop this template. So as per the demo, we already covered that 1 hour. Should we continue or any doubt till now? Hello?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
No
Like
doubt for me. Yeah.
yeah, like from those who not from the Java, that is, I mean, I should have the, I mean, I should guessing that you have lot of doubt. because this is the new things from all of you, like what is the bootstrap and all. So you should have the lot of doubt. So please tell me, it could be a novice question or anything. You just please carry on. Please tell me. Hello, hello.
Nothing from my side, so you can proceed. So I have you. I'll talk to you after the class, maybe for a minute.
No, no, that's fine. That's fine. You just tell me the like what are the things you just I mean not able to get it and all. So.
No, no, I'm able to get it. Don't
Mhm.
have much doubt. Um, the initial stage somewhere in this identity, and also I have few doubts related to database concept in the application, how we did that I will ask later. But as far as overall things, I'm clear.
Okay. And what about the other?
I didn't get why you're not passing the data from controller to this HTML page. You're just passing the view name.
Yeah, you can pass it. Like I didn't develop the HTML page yet. This is the backend part is completed. You got my question. I mean, we have to pass it. Like from controller, this is the only only part where you, if you give it, like it will show you the raw JSON. It will show you the raw JSON like that.
Okay.
Okay. And after that, our course, our agenda is to develop this whole total scenario, like the I mean, add. This is the only gate operations. This is the only gate operation. It not completed the. I mean, it is not completed the your add, update, edit, delete. Okay.
Okay. In entity, can we have any other field which is not present in the DB table? Like for sorting related or page number kind of any of things?
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
possible?
so many things. So many
Okay.
things. That is why we use the JPA repositories. Paging, sorting, paginations, so many things. Suppose if you go with your course content, uh, uh, so it's all are mentioned. It's all are mentioned. Like if you go for your course content, then in JPA, like paging, sorting, so many things. Pagination repository, card repository, all are will mention. No issue
Okay.
on that.
Okay.
So once we start the course, it will be like covering all the sessions, like complete development of a project.
Correct,
Uh,
correct, correct.
okay.
This is the basic demo project. It's
Okay.
not on.
Understood.
I mean, this is not part of this. I mean, this is not the main case. Main
Mm.
case is the fundamental things, because
Oh,
whenever you get in your industry, you have to use your own things. Like
mhm.
why it is that previously I guess you don't have this clarity, right? Why it is entity, why it
Yes,
is
yes.
ID,
Uh-huh.
why it is generated value. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
to getting the output is not a big deal. You
Yes,
have to
yeah.
develop the, I mean, you have to develop, end of the day, you have to develop the, here is the only one step is left. That is the only develop the HTML places. Like you
Mm-hmm.
have to mention the table and how many table with table data. That's it. It will give you the total list of your employees.
Uh-huh. Yes, yeah.
Huh, total list of your employees. But that is not our goal. That our goal is to clear each and every step by step.
Mm-hmm.
Why it is
Okay.
no argument constructor, why it is controller, why should not we call the control from the controller layer. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the things.
Yeah.
Apart from you, anyone? Hello. Apart from you, anyone? Anyone have any doubt? Imran, I didn't heard the voice of Imran. Hello, Imran. Jyoti,
No
Krishnakant.
doubt, sir.
Mm-hmm. Shruti.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Okay, that's fine.
I have one more question.
Yeah, yeah, sure,
Uh,
please.
Like which Java versions will be covered? Will it be 17 or like
17,
which?
17,
Oh,
17, 17. No question about the 8. Suppose you have the 5 years of experience, and
yeah.
whenever you go for the your interview or something, you will go
Mm-hmm.
for the mid level. Okay,
Yeah.
like
Uh-huh.
Infosys and all those things have that Omen back to drive and all these other things are going on, right? So
Uh-huh.
like they always ask you for the JD call Spring Boot, microservices, Kafka. If you include any UI, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, the Java base version is 17 because
Okay.
Java 8 is end of life,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
reached the end of life. So
Mm-hmm.
right now the Java 17 is the base version.
Okay. Understood. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sorry, I have one question.
Yes,
So,
yes.
sorry, I just joined from another call. Uh, so, so how do we categorize this controller DEO entity service? So, is there any specific rule we need to follow?
I'm not getting your question. Tell me once again.
No, no. Here you created different classes in different categories, right? Controller, DAO, entity, service.
Correct.
So what is the rule we have to follow? For example, this is for employee screen. So
Correct.
for in case,
The rule
uh,
is that suppose if you
mhm,
instead of employee you are going for any banking domain project,
okay,
BFSI, okay, which is I'm working on the right now. So instead of employee, they have their uh, mm, uh, lender. Okay, in that case, lender is the object. That means that lender is going to save in the database. Got
okay,
my question? So lender is that entity class, and who is giving you the templated method, the DAO layer.
mhm, okay.
So
So
hmm,
for any requirement, you have to follow this architecture, right?
correct. This is called the MVC architecture. Model is
MVC.
different, controller is different, service is different. Got it?
Okay, okay,
This is called the clean architecture. And for microservice is the different. But microservice also internally use the MVC architecture.
okay. Got it. Yeah. This is Spring MVC should follow this architecture, right? Only Spring
Correct,
M. Yeah.
correct. And we made this demo in the Spring Boot 3, which is running, which is up, I mean, which is the current relevant version.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
you can ask or Google it, what is the difference between Spring MVC and Spring Boot?
okay.
Okay. Spring Boot is Spring is an total ecosystem. Spring Boot give you the template driven classes, faster development process.
Mm-hmm,
Once you start from anywhere, like not only my courses or my classes, anywhere from any resources, you started from beginning, step by
mm-hmm,
step, you get to
mm-hmm.
understand what is Spring IOC first. Your path should be Spring IOC. Then you get to know, okay, this is the object factory of your Spring. Then you can go for the Spring MVC. Then the Spring REST. then Spring Boot. Then you will understand this is the flow of total Spring ecosystem. Then top of that, Spring Security, Spring Cloud, so many things are there. But this is the bread and butter. I mean,
Okay.
got it?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, Ranjan from Ranjan, do you have any doubt? I
No,
can see the
no. Sorry.
I can see the only active participation 3-4 people. Jyoti, I didn't heard your anything, like any doubt or anything.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay then. I'm wrapping up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.